So we are moving now a little more northern from where we were in the Rhône and heading to the Beaujolais area. Ali, what can you tell us about the next one?
Corentin is handing it to me because Beaujolais is one of my favorite regions.
Why that?
Well, I like to think of it as almost like the little brother of Burgundy, but they produce some mighty fine wine. The grape varietal that it is worldly renowned for is Gamay, which is what this bottle is.
Exactly, and not from anywhere in Beaujolais too, because this is Morgon, which is a cru of Beaujolais that makes some very elegant, very rich, silky, ripe type of Gamay. This is Domaine Bulliat, certified organic estate.
Exciting, let's try it. Oh my gosh, that's beautiful. The nose on this is just really, really lovely.
Yeah, I get the classic red berries notes, strawberry, cherry from Gamay grape, but I get also some ripe, almost plummy notes, because I think this definitely warmer vintage.
Oh yeah.
Lower yields too.
Yeah, for sure.
Still some great freshness. I mean, Gamay has naturally a high level of acidity, so it balances very well with this ripe vintage.
And pairing, Beaujolais to me is one of the easiest wines to pair food with. I would do braised beef, lamb.
Exactly, or even as a starter with some charcuterie or rillettes, that works too very well.
Yeah.
Today we had Morgon Nature from Domaine Bulliat, vintage 2018, 100% Gamay, certified organic estate. Feel free to follow the page to stay in the loop for the next videos.
Thank you for watching.
And have a great day.
And santé!